Hey guys, Don't Know Joe back with another video, and today I'm going to be playing BeamNG Drive on the Chromebook, and also this will be big news. Hold on, I have to pull it up. Alright. I'm going to start a short channel off my iPad. Ooh, I know, oh my gosh, wow. I have a shorts planner. It'll be called Don't Know Joe Shorts, obviously. It's kind of my thing now, just to name everything Don't Know Joe. But I also have shorts for my vlogs, shorts planner, and a vlog planner, because I've run out of ideas. That's me, running out of ideas. She also has a YouTube channel, H1RCZZ. Her real name is Emma Markham, and when she comes over, my channel will hopefully not plummet. I'm gonna hate saying this, but she will be Billy Bob Joe and do videos. She'll be funny. She'll do funny videos where she does, and whenever she is on her channel, she does Miraculous Ladybug edits. If you like that, go subscribe. Anyways, I'm going to get into it. I'm playing with controller. Hopefully the game does not crash like the last 15 times I've tried the playlist, and the Chromebook couldn't handle it. So it said, hey, guess what? Let's crash. I go into West Coast. It's just fun. Let's go to a highway this time. Yeah. She also might be helping me edit videos or teaching me how, finally. Why does everything want me? First, this thing right here, I bought this yesterday or 2 days ago, depending on whenever I post this. And then my iPad just went off. On top of that, my phone was vibrating. Probably because James is calling me. I'm going to grab my phone so I can shut it down. Where's my phone? Hello, phone. I need you for a minute. Yep, James is calling me. Shut down my phone.
First, use space rec. Are you sure?
Yes. There, that one shut down. Anyways, guys, this is BeamNG. What the heck happened? Alright. I'm gonna grab my vehicle I always play with, called the, Bolide. Yeah, let's do top speed this time. I think spawning new instead of replacing the current is better. Hello, game, work. What's going on? Hello? There we go. Alright guys, I'm going to try to spawn in traffic here in a little bit. I'm just going to show you basically what I do on a daily basis whenever I do hop on. I'm mainly just speeding down the highway, doing whatever. Komodo Gaming does playlists. He's another one of my favorite YouTubers. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me, guy. You did not see that. You guys did not see how embarrassing that was. You guys didn't see anything. See? The vehicle's fine. I totally didn't just crash. Yeah. See, everything's fine. It's still running. But I think this is like an older Mazda or an older Camaro. And then, hold on, the other one. The Scintilla, this one, is like the newer C8 or whatever. I do not want to do the race. Let me just grab the base model, the GT. Actually, the GT Spider looks good. I'm going to replace current and see what happens. Guys, if the game crashes, it's not my fault. Oh, yeah, guy. Yeah, buddy. Ah! Oh, no, I'm losing it. Don't worry, guys. I totally have this under control right now. I didn't just lose it. Oh, jeez. The Chromebook's lagging. Oh, no. Oh, it sounds so nice. Just tap the guardrail. Anyways, guys, I really do love this game. I've been wanting to play it for a while now, but I never knew I could run it on the Chromebook so good. Are you serious? I broke the drive shaft already. This car is so not ready for me to put it through its paces. And go super fast. Like I am right now. Brakes. Guys, I am terrible at driving. Never let me drive your supercar.
He looks like a bear.
Anyways, guys, I'm going to try to spawn in traffic real quick. Powertrain. AI. Traffic. Spawn with police. This is where my phone crashed. It's actually taking it incredibly well. Oh no, there's a cop right in front of me. Okay. So that's not gonna work. Guys, I'm gonna try the respawn. So I can't do traffic, which sucks. But at the same time, I mean, I really can't do much. Like, my phone will crash the second I spawn in traffic. I could do American Truck Simulator next video. Here's all the games I do have besides this one. Let me know which one you want me to do next. I can do Rocket League, I can do Fortnite, I can do American Truck Simulator, I could do BeamNG Drive, I think I have the long drive. I can do whatever you guys tell me to do next video, I will do, I promise. That is one thing I'm not afraid to do. I can do another BeamNG episode. I don't really care. Once I have enough money, though, I am probably going to buy a PC and upgrade it a little bit. Also, you can see the wheel right behind me right there. I use that on my PlayStation. Also, let me know, guys, down in the comments below. Go on your Chromebook or go on your phone or go on whatever if I have comments. And comment down below. Do you want another PlayStation video? Let me know. Anyways, guys, I'm going to try to play Beam again. It takes forever, guys. Anyways, yeah, I'm basically just going to wait and wait and wait. And how are you guys today? Good, bad, a little bit of both. Bored, excited because I'm doing BeamNG on the channel. Oh, I can collapse that? I didn't know. I like having it bigger for me because you guys can see me better. How's your day? I just got off school. I'm still wearing the shirt. You guys don't understand. I bought this game thinking, oh, it's gonna be the best. Until I realized how good the graphics card is on this. So I can't do, I want to, but I can't do the traffic, which is what I kind of want to do. I want to show you guys how good I am at police chases. AKA, I am terrible. Don't ever let me have a police chase in real life because the cops will not get me. The cops will get me instantly. I'll be like, ah, 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 ah. What's up, officer? Yeah, I can probably respond to it. Like the cops, though. The cops in this game are aggressive. Watch what? The newest of Komodo Gaming's channel where he does police chases. Yeah. The cops literally try to merge into your lane and cut you off, and then you have a head-on crash. But what I really want to do is play this game with like Komodo Gaming and be like, "Hey Komodo, I'm a YouTuber because of you, so you're welcome. You influenced me to be a YouTuber because you're an influencer." I'm not funny. Don't listen to my jokes, guys. I don't know what I'm doing with my life at this point with my jokes. I was comedy gold, and my comedy went from here to here. Obviously, at school, if you're first grader, you love my jokes because that's all I can really do. But my dad jokes suck. It takes forever. I'm not taking a nap. Let me know when it's up. It's taking forever. At this point, I might as well have just played Fortnite. Oh, guys, I might be doing Fortnite on my PlayStation tomorrow. If you guys see this video upload and then you see another one upload tomorrow, then you know why. My videos are nowhere. I'm trying to figure out another game to do with PlayStation, because hold on, let me show you. I want you guys to vote. I'm gonna make you guys vote between two that I really want to do. Oh, sweet. I'm back in. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna have you guys vote real quick before I launch the game. Well, I might as well just get in now. Ooh, Gray uploaded. Yes! Alright guys, so note what are we not gonna do. Comment down below at this timestamp, what are we not gonna do? If you said spawned in traffic, you're right. It is the best part of it though. They added that for a reason. Anyways, I can't really complain. Alright. I'll let you guys decide later on which ones we should do. You know what? Let's go to East Coast. Actually, no. Clip. Johnson Mountain. Utah. I want to go to Utah. I haven't done this yet. Building site, tourist area, parking lot. Let's do the parking lot. That seems kind of fair. Anyways, guys, I hate that I can't spawn in traffic and do police chases with you guys. This video is mainly about Emma and having you guys sub to her channel and her shout out. Yeah, tips, I think we all know that. If you read the tip, I kind of know that already. That's why you don't push the widgeon or pigeon or Wydra to limits and then say, ha! I blew the engine, I wonder why. 'Cause you pushed it to its limits. Reading files. Don't you dare crash, BeamNG. I swear if you crash while you're loading, I'm ending the video, I'm doing my outro, and I'm done. Yay! It didn't crash yet. I mean, I had to go get a vehicle. This is gonna be fun. Autobello, Stambecca. Actually, I really don't mind the Charger too much, guys. I kind of want to do the Sport. Hold on. Where's the Red Tail? Battlehawk. I'm gonna get the Red Tail out. Don't crash. That's my only fear, guys. I tried to spawn a vehicle before. The game said, ha! You thought, and crashed. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, I forgot traction controls on. I just want it in Sport. I don't want anything too crazy. No, no, bad car. No, no, bad car. Dang it, guys. Guys, this is why you don't let me drive a Charger. This wide body is not helping me any. Guys, you do like me playing the game. I don't like playing this whenever you're driving a Charger that is over $1 million. Yes, Traction, help me out here, please. Traction Control, we've been buddies since day one. Don't fail me now. I talk about traction, but yeah, look at my driving. Talk about traction, but yet look at my driving skills, guys. Literally, if you have to rewind to rewatch that just to laugh your butt off at me, go right ahead. I'm more than happy to have you guys do that, because that was me being stupid as heck and be like, yeah, traction control, don't fail me now. You've been buddies with me since day one. Don't fail me now. What do? Hey, let's go find a rock. Dwayne, why did you have to do that? You guys get the joke. You guys should get the joke. Alright, I'm done. Yep, nope, I'm done. I do this 15 times, and I'm just trying to make it through that tiny gap. I've done that twice now with this bridge. Yeah, let's just go. Don't lose it, please, no. Yay! Dwayne's back. I hate this Helicat right now. Also, for people who do watch my channel as a little older or whatever, how do you feel about that about the Helicat going away and then turning into an electric vehicle? Me personally, I hate it. Why just take that and be like, yeah, this is dumb, because Elon said something. Let's go and do it ourselves. Like, to me, like, keep the gas. Also, I'm very upset that they kept the Corvette, but they got rid of the Camaro. Like, why? The Camaro's the best-selling car. Besides the Corvette, but they made that a poor man's supercar. Oh, did I say that out loud? To anyone who gets that reference, please tell me that you do.
Anyone gonna eat?
I will soon. Anyways, guys, yeah, I'm just basically driving around and having fun on the game. Like, I'm not gonna do anything crazy. And if I do, it's probably just because I want to. Oh, I broke the drive shaft on that one. Here, let's go do it again. Whee! That sucked. Yeah, I'll make it better. Hey, traction control. Where are you when I need you, bro? Oh, I'm crab walking. Oh, I found the highway, guys. I've been looking for this. Let me turn off traction control real quick. Whee! Hey guys, this is just what I wanted to do for you guys. Next video, I'll see if I can't spawn in traffic on it and do a little bit of police chases and kind of show up the cops because you know kind of want to. Anyways, I'm pretty much done because I have nothing really to do. But for you guys, just for you guys right now, I really want to do it. I want to run the Scintilla down here. I'm gonna do it for you guys. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna grab the fastest version of this. I'm gonna run it down through here real quick. And I'll crash into the wall. That's if I can handle it. Alright. There you guys go. Oh, jeez. Give my eyes epilepsy here. Okay, guys. So, in case you didn't know, I'm very bad at driving the Scintilla in this game. If you didn't learn from, I don't know, the beginning of the video, I suck at driving in general. Hey, did it! I only tapped it. Oh, the wing's loose. I might want to fix that. Ready, guys? Oh, it's set in race mode. That's why. Heck no, I don't need race mode. There we go. There you guys go. Yep, that's what I wanted to do, is just crash it and totally destroy it. Hey, I skipped the river. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to, do this video for you guys, show you I have BeamNG and I kind of want to do it and just kind of have fun with it. Anyways, I'm going to close out the app and, end the video and stuff. So, I'm done, and I know everyone's upset that, I probably did this video and I haven't uploaded in a while. But I do have a controller and I will be using it in future videos as well. Anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hold on. Anyways, guys, this is me on the video today. If you did enjoy it, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.